Everyone, I cannot wait to tell you about these colored contact lenses from Olens. It's the Olens Russian Smoky Olive colored contact lenses, and I cannot wait to review them for you and show you how they look. So let's get started. Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Let's jump right into this video where I show you the new colored contact lenses from the company Olens. I've reviewed them here on my channel before. I will link the previous video in the description box down below, as well as in the cards. And I'm gonna show you one of the 3 pairs of lenses that they've sent me from their new collection, the Russian Smoky collection. Today I am showing you the Russian Smoky Olive colored contact lenses. Here you are, and I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of these colored contact lenses? I'm gonna tell you a little bit about Olens, tell you about the previous review I did here on my channel, and let you know the great news, which is that I am now an affiliate with them. So I do get a commission code from them, and I do receive a small commission off of each order if you all use my coupon code when purchasing from them. So that is super exciting news since I love their lenses, and I'm just super happy. But let me tell you a little bit about Olens and tell you about the previous lenses that I reviewed from them. So a little bit about Olens. They are a colored contact lens company. They do have a lot of different collections. Definitely check out their website. I will put it up here for you on the screen, as well as a link to them in the description box down below. They are coming out with new lenses, new collections, and when they reached out to me and wanted to send them to me, I was super excited since I do love their lenses. Previously here on my channel, I did review their Russian collection. I will put the video right here up on the screen, and I will link to it down below in the description box as well as up here, so make sure you check that out. I love those lenses. I love the color of those lenses. I love the finish of those lenses. I love how comfortable they were. I loved everything about them. So when I saw the Russian Smoky collection, I was super excited to try them since I love their previous collection. They have some of the most comfortable, nicest, prettiest colored contact lenses. They also have colored contact lenses if you already have, let's say, light eyes and you just want to enhance them a little bit. That's what I love the most about them. They don't just make lenses for dark eyes or like the most opaque, if you will. They also make lenses for people who have light eyes eyes and just want to maybe enhance them or give your eyes just a little bit more of a brightening effect. So I do love that about them. So here is my coupon code. I'm going to put it up on the screen right here. If you are interested in these lenses, and if you are interested in checking them out or checking out any of the collections that they have, any of the lenses that they have, definitely click on the link in the description box down below. Use my coupon code to get some extra money off, and I'm sure you will love your lenses. I know a lot of people who love Olens colored contact lenses, and I'm definitely one of those as well. Now let me tell you what I thought about these lenses, show you up close shots, and give you my honest opinions as usual. So as you can see from the up close shots, I did show natural lighting, I did show room lighting, and I did show artificial lighting, which is here with the ring light. Let me tell you about the color that I love so much about these lenses. So this olive color is very much true to what it is. It is like an olive shade of green. It's light and green mixed together. I feel like towards the pupil hole, it's a little bit more yellow. And then towards the outer rim of the lenses, the middle and the outer rim of the lenses, it's more of a like medium and light green, lime green mix. So I think if you have light brown eyes or if you have light eyes, I think these colored contacts are gonna look stunning on you. I believe these are also good for dark eyes as well. But if you have, I know, light brown eyes or anything in that brown family colored eyes, then I think these lenses are really, really gonna look nice on you. I like how they enhance the eyes. I love how you can see the different shades of green, but I also love that it doesn't overpower your eyes at the same time. The pupil hole is tighter. I feel like for this Russian Smoky collection, it's not as feathered out, maybe as different lenses that they have. It is very much opaque. This is an opaque shade of green. So now that I think about it, I think these would definitely go well with dark eyes too. But all in all, I love the shade of green. As you can see from the real up close shots that I tried to take. I try to take so many up close shots, especially with the natural lighting before, you know, the sun went down, so that I could see exactly how these lenses look, or can show you exactly the color that you're gonna see. It's different shades of green and a pinch of yellow blended in together. And I absolutely love that. To me, it truly is like an olive shade. Like, it's not totally all green, like one flat color of green. It like has different dimensions to it. You know what I mean? Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of these colored contact lenses from Olens, from their Russian Smoky collection? I can't wait to review the Russian Smoky Gray and the Russian Smoky Brown that they also sent me. Let me know in the comment section down below, which ones do you want to see first? Do you want to see the brown or do you want to see the gray? I'm probably going to put a poll up here on my community tab as well as on Instagram just to see which ones you want to see next. I think that'll be fun. And let me know all in all what you think about these lenses. I really like them. They are very comfortable. Inside of the box where they sent me all of these lenses, I thought it was really nice that they included a pamphlet telling you about how to care for your colored contact lenses. You know, pretty much the basics. Make sure you wash your hands before handling your contacts. When you take them off, make sure you soak them in solution for at least 6 to 8 hours before reinserting them or putting them back in your eyes. So I thought that was really nice, and it shows that companies care, which is very important, especially when you're wearing colored contact lenses or putting anything in your eyes. Definitely check out Olens' website. I love how they look in natural lighting. They look very natural. They look very nice. I don't think anyone can really tell that you're wearing colored contact lenses, maybe unless they're like really up close to you, but I don't think anyone can really tell. I think they look very natural. The green is a very pretty shade of green. With artificial lighting, I always feel like you can see the actual tones of the colored contact lenses better, which is why I like to include those shots. You can really see the different shades of green as well as the yellow. I feel like the pinch of yellow in these colored contact lenses, so that's why I love to include it. I feel like you can actually see the color of the lenses. But let me know in the comment section down below, what do you all think of these lenses? Are you interested in the Russian Smoky collection? Also, let me know which ones you want to see next. Do you want to see the Russian Smoky Brown or do you want to see the Russian Smoky Gray? Let me know. I love to read what you guys think. I'm super excited and thankful for you all for supporting me. I absolutely appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, as well as me and my brand, The Luxe Princess, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I try to upload 2 to 3 times a week, and I am so grateful for all of you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.